BODgroups is Beachbody's exclusive community-based platform that helps you stay motivated, accountable, and connected to reach your goals. BODgroups connects you to your coach, to the right nutrition and fitness solutions to help you get results, to powerful tracking tools to log and share your daily activity, and to a community of like-minded people who will help you stay accountable and have fun while doing it. So you have a built-in support squad to provide encouragement and celebrate your successes every step of the way. And best of all, you can do all of this from one place, the Beachbody On Demand app. You can locate the groups that your coach is running by clicking on the BODgroups tab on the Beachbody On Demand website or the Beachbody On Demand app. To join and participate in a group, you'll need to download and log into the Beachbody On Demand app. To log in, simply use your existing Beachbody account email and password and tap on the group's icon located on the bottom navigation bar. If your coach is not running a group, request one by clicking on the Request a Group button and sending an email to your coach. If your coach is running groups, this is where you'll find a listing of all the groups that they're leading. There are two main ways to join a group. Your coach may send you a direct invite, or you can request to join from the group listing page. Click on the group tile to view the group listing page and get more details about the group. Your coach may also have sent you a link to this page. To join the group, simply click on the Request to Join button. This sends your request to your coach. Once your coach approves your request, they'll send you an email with simple instructions for joining. You can then log into the app and go to the group's landing page and join the group from there. You'll see a You're Invited banner on the group tile. Tap on Learn More and then Get Started to join the group. You'll be prompted to answer a series of onboarding questions that walk you through the process of joining and setting up your profile. First, you'll want to share the goals you'd like to achieve. You'll then add an optional photo as a starting point. This is your before shot, and only you and the coach or coaches running the group can see it. Next, you'll share what type of workout, Shakeology, and nutritionals you'll be logging. You can also set up reminders to track your daily activity. Finally, you can select to share your activity tracking, progress photos, and weight and measurements with your coach and other group admins so they can support you and help you to achieve better results. Tap on the Done button and you're all set. You are now officially part of the group. The group feed is a great way to connect and engage with your coach and the other members of your group. This is where you can share every success and find daily motivation, inspiration, tips, and recipes. You can post photos or videos to the feed and react, comment, and respond to posts from other group members. So go ahead and post your sweaty selfies and give the thumbs up when your Fit Fam does the same. BODgroups is focused on people helping people to succeed. You'll receive in-app and push notifications about your feed activity here. To update any of your notification settings, tap on Preferences within your group and select Notifications. You can choose to turn any of these items on or off. You can also update your workout settings and preferences by tapping on the More button on the bottom navigation bar of your BOD app. Select Workout Settings to set up Activity Syncing. This will automatically sync your workout videos across all devices and will display a post-workout prompt whenever a workout video is completed and ready to be shared. Tracking your daily activity has never been easier. Tap on the Tracking tab on the bottom navigation bar. There you can log your daily workouts, Shakeology, nutritionals, and water. Simply select the area you wish to log and fill out the information. You can also add a photo, a text description, and select the groups you wish to share your workout and Shakeology tracking posts with. When you're ready, tap Log Workout. In the Results section of the Tracking tab, you can regularly update your weight, measurements, and progress photos so you can see the progress you're making. BODgroups integrates all the tools that you need to achieve results in one simple platform. It's Beachbody's total solution to help you get your best results and have fun while doing it. BODgroups. Get better results together.